Hello dear students, so this tutorial is very important for you because in the Excel we are going to see the new thing that is related with the simple mathematical task. So our today's tutorial is related with the square, cube, square root and cube root. So many students they get the confusion here. So one by one we will do the task. So first task is square and cube using a function. So for that we have to use power function in the Excel. Got it? And this function is having the two parameter. First one represent number and second represent the power. Okay, so my number is 3. So first we will see how you can get the square. So it means that power value should be 2. So 3 square means what? It should come 3 into 3 means 9. Got it? So you understood how you can get the square. So you can put any number there, you will get the square. And then next one is I would like to show you how you can get the cube. So I want to do the cube of 3. So its power value will be 3. So if you do like that, you will get the cube. You see one time, first value represent number. You can do any number. Second represent power. You can use any power value, but if you calculate the cube, you have to use value 3. So it will come, the answer will come with 27. So in this way, you can get square and cube using the power function. Now we will do the same thing without using a power function. So first we will calculate the square. So my value is suppose 9. So I just click on this address and I want to do it square. So I have to use here power symbol, and if I do the square I have to use the value 2. So it should come 81 because 9 into 9 is 81. Then I do the cube. So for that I have to start with the equal. Now I am taking a value directly 3. So here we have to use again power symbol with the 3. So it means that the cube of 3 will be 27. So you see answer is coming correctly. Next one is square root using function. So it's quite simple. You have to use sqrt function, and here for square root I am taking a simple number 9 and then I press enter. You see the answer is 3. This task is quite simple. Then we will go for the very important task, square root and cube root without function. Okay, square root and cube root. So first we will do with the square root. So equal, so square root of, suppose I want 9, you can put any value, and equals to 9, and then we have to use here power symbol, and then in bracket I am writing 1 by 2 and closing this bracket. So the 9 answer means square root should come 3. You see answer 3 is coming. So it's quite simple. We will do same procedure for the cube root. So for the cube root I am taking a value 27, and then you have to use power symbol as it is, and in bracket you have to use 1 upon 3 and then you close the bracket. So 27. So here power, this power symbol is required, but in place of power 3 you have to write 1 upon 3. If you want square root you have to write 1 upon 2. If you want cube root you have to write 1 upon 3. It should come 3. So our answer is correct. So in this way, in this tutorial we have seen many things, how you can get square, cube using a predefined function, or how you can apply the own formula, how you can get square root using function, and how you can do square root and cube root without function. So for that you have to develop this logic. So here predefined functions are important as well as power symbol is important. Got it? So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial and you have to practice this. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.